Oh yes. Oh yes. Bagaba, bagaba, ba. Sunday mbogu, Sunday mbogu. Oh yes. Mama, mama, mama. Oh yes. Bagaba, bagaba, ba. Sunday mbogu, Sunday mbogu. Oh yes.
Oh yes, yeah, I've been bouncing it, yes, because today we are making isiewu. Yes, isiewu is one of the Eastern delicacy and it is made of goat's head. Yes, you heard me well. What I'm washing and cleaning and shaving very well is goat's head. So after cleaning it thoroughly, because this is the most important part of it, you don't want to be eating and you'll be seeing hairs. You have to shave it. Use your razor, use your knife, use your 7-stick and shave this head so that it will be clean. It is well cleaned now and I'm going to be slicing some onions in the isiewu. I'm using 2 onions. You can use less or use more. I've sliced the first one and the second one I'm just going to cut it in chunk and put it by the corners of the pot. This is important because it will help for the thickening of your isiewu. Next is to add salt. Add seasoning stock. I am using 1.5 of knorr, that is 2 knorr, because I will add 1 later. And next I'll be adding dry pepper. You can go ahead and add habanero pepper, but I'll be using the habanero pepper to make the sauce, so I am making use of the dry now. After that, put it on the stove and stir it very well to combine. Allow this goat head to cook until it is very soft. Also, I have some upstir in there because I made the combination of isiewu and upstir. So I'm going to stir them very well and pour water. Allow it to cook. This needs to be very, very soft. You don't need to struggle with it while you are eating it. And another important part of this isiewu is the leaf that you are going to use to garnish it after you finish mixing them. And this leaf is called utazi leaf. Utazi leaf is a bit bitter. It is very important that you add it to this isiewu. If not, you have not started. Okay, this is ehuru. Ehuru is nutmeg, calabash. We are going to grind them until they are very soft. Already it has been toasted in the fire, that is in the frying pan. You have to toast it to release that aroma, and when you are grinding it, everywhere is everywhere is onekbo. The thing has already started giving when the food is not done. After that, I'll go ahead and add the habanero pepper. Also, I will go ahead and add washed crayfish to it. You need crayfish for this as well. Everything needs to be pounded together. In fact, this is what we are going to use to mix our isiewu. We are going to use the mortar, so that is why everything will be done in there. Oh yes, at this point it is well blended. So I'll also add my seasoning cubes in there. Yes, blend everything inside there because you don't want to be eating the isiewu and you bite into Maggi. No way. In fact, you have ruined it. So everything needs to be grinded to be soft. Next is the palm oil. Ensure that the palm oil you are using to prepare this isiewu is a very nice one. And after the palm oil, I'll go ahead and add the ngo. Ngo is a palm fruit that was burnt, extracted, and sieved. And using the water, and this ngo is the best for this isiewu. You can use potash or akawo, but I don't like the way I feel in my stomach while or after I finish eating it. You may feel the same, so use ungo. It works very perfect for this. All right, at this point, everything is almost getting ready. Yeah. So I will go ahead and test to see if I need anything, either salt, pepper, or anything at all. And it was perfect. And look at it, the isiewu, everything have cooked to perfection, because you can even notice that everything is falling apart. So we are going to sieve it out of the water. Yeah, and then pour it inside our sauce. Yeah, everything is ready, almost ready. At this point, everybody is around waiting for his or her own turn to take his plate and enjoy the isiewu. My younger sister was like, sister, we don't have okwa. I said, forget the okwa, we can eat it in this big okwa. So traditionally, the way they serve this thing is with a wooden plate. But I didn't have wooden plates, but I have done it in a wooden mortar. And this is it. We are going ahead to garnish it with the remaining important thing, which is the okpaka, the otazi, and the onion. Have you give this video thumbs up? Yes, please do that. Give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done so. I really appreciate your love. The returning supporters, thank you so much. I appreciate your love. All right, I started dancing. Yes, this is time to enjoy it. There's not a person now you walk, now you go shop. Oh, yeah, so it's time to shop. Enjoy yourself. Oh, in fact, allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. I am feeling myself. Yeah, it is traditional meal, and I'm using English song to play it along to see whether you are English or you are from Nigeria or eastern part of Nigeria, you can still enjoy this meal. And that is it. It's very funny. I cooked a white rice with the remaining stock of the cow, did I say cow? Goat head. And look at it, we use it and enjoy the rice. You know what I'm feeling if you understand. Oh yeah, time to go and eat. See you in my next video. Bye bye.